Good morning dear students, welcome back to the class. We are taking the revision of lesson number 4, that is exponents. In the previous lecture we have completed up to the question number 2 of exercise 4b. Today I am taking forward from the question number 3. So the exercise 4b and question number 3. Okay, so what is your question number 3? Question number 3 is find the value. आपको क्या करना है, दिए गए क्वेश्चंस की वैल्यू निकालना है. Here you have to apply the laws of exponents which we have revised in the previous lectures also. So what is your first question? Your first question is, I am not writing the complete solution, you have to find out the answer. Okay, so the question is minus 2 upon 11 raised to the power 4 multiply with minus 2 upon 11 raised to the power 7 here, and it is divided by minus 2 upon 11 raised to the power 9. Okay, here the bracket is. Okay, so you have to solve the bracket first. So when you are solving the bracket, you will see the bases are same and the middle symbol is multiplication. That means you have to add here. So you will write it as minus 2 upon 11. Okay, remove this bracket. Minus 2 upon 11, and we have to add the power, so it becomes 4 plus 7, and it is divided by minus 2 upon 11 raised to the power 9. It will become minus 2 upon 11, and it is 11. The power becomes 11 divided by minus 2 upon 11 raised to the power 9. Since the bases are again same and the middle symbol is reversed, we have to subtract the powers. So it is 11 minus 9. Okay, so 11 minus 9. For the solution I am writing here. Okay, so the minus 2 upon 11. एक सॉल्यूशन अच्छे से देखो, रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं. ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ आपको स्टेप बताऊंगी रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस में कि क्या करनी है. minus 2 upon 11, 11 minus 9 is 2. So it will become minus 2 square, that is minus 2 multiplied with minus 2. We don't write the two symbols together, so I will give the bracket here. Again 11 multiplied by 11, so it is 2 2s are 4, and minus into minus is plus. That means there are two minus, that means you have to don't need to write the minus symbol, and 11 into 11 is 121. Okay, so the final answer is 4 upon 121. 4 upon 121. Okay, now the remaining question you have to solve in the same way, just like in the question number second sub question. There is a division symbol in between them. So first subtract the powers, and then whatever answer comes add the powers. क्योंकि बाद में आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिया है तो पहले आप क्या करोगे, पहले डिवाइड दिया है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिया है तो ऐड करना. ओके, सो सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इन दिस वे. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4, your first question is 2 raised to the power 5 into minus 3 raised to the power 4. Now here we don't have the terms, just like there we can't apply the laws of exponents. Terms यहाँ कुछ इस तरीके से है कि हम यहाँ laws of exponents नहीं लगा सकते. Bases are different as well as powers are also different, है ना. bases सेम होते हैं उसके लिए भी फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, और पावर सेम होता है उसके लिए भी, बट यहाँ पे आपके बेसिस भी डिफरेंट है और पावर्स भी डिफरेंट है. ओके, सो इन दिस केस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू इंडिविजुअली. पहले आप निकालोगे 2 raised to the power 5. ओके, एंड देन आप निकालोगे minus 3 raised to the power 4, एंड फिर आप निकालोगे कंप्लीट आंसर. पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा. ठीक है, now in the second question it is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied with 3 upon 4 raised to the power 2. That means in all the questions given here there is no application of the laws of exponents. That means you have to find out the values individually and then perform the multiplication or the division given here. Should I solve the question number 6 for you? Okay, I am solving the 6th question of the question number 4. What is your question number 6? Question number 6 is minus 6 upon 7. Minus 6 upon 7. Rest of the power 2 divided by 1 upon 3. Rest of the power 3. Okay. So how to write it? Because there is no application of the laws of exponents, so we write minus 6 upon 7. Okay. So we will write here minus 6 upon 7. Multiply with the minus 6 upon 7. Okay. Okay. Before starting this step, one more thing is there. When there is no need to apply the laws of exponents and there is a symbol of a division in between them, जब fractions का division होगा, numbers का नहीं, integers का नहीं, जब आपको दोनों भी fractions दिए हो और laws of exponents नहीं लग रहा हो और बीच में division का symbol हो, तो क्या करना है? Write the first fraction as it is. Write your first fraction as it is. Then write the multiplication instead of the division and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal means numerator is in the denominator and denominator is in the numerator and to the same power as it has earlier. ठीक है, क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज रखते हैं, डिवीजन के सिंबल को मल्टीप्लिकेशन के सिंबल से चेंज करते हैं, सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल लिखते हैं और जो पावर उसमें ऑलरेडी गिवन था वही पावर लेते हैं. बट व्हेन वी हैव टू अप्लाई दिस, when there are two fractions and there is a division symbol between them and there is no application of the, मतलब हम laws of exponents वहाँ नहीं apply कर सकते. Okay, so now it will become a multiplication question. So it is minus 6 into minus 6 and in the denominator it is 7 into 7 and it will become 3 into 3 into 3 and in the denominator it is 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, so 6 6 are 36. There are two minus symbols. That is 2 is the even number, so I will not write it. After that, 7 7s are 49. 3 9s are 3 3s are 9 and 9s are 27. And denominator it is 1. After that, 36 into 27 and in the denominator it is 14. So it is 972 upon 49. 972 upon 49. It is a improper fraction. It is an improper fraction, so convert it into a proper fraction or mixed fraction. ये जो improper fraction है तो ये आपका mixed fraction में convert होगा. So write it in the mixed form and that will be your final answer. The mixed fraction is 1941 upon 49. Okay. So you have to solve the question number 4 in this way. Now question number 5. Compare the following expressions. Compare the following expressions. Okay. When you have to compare the two expressions, जब हमें two expressions को compare करना होता है तो कैसे करते हैं? Okay. So when there is a question in which you have to compare the two fractions, है ना? अभी देखो आपको यहाँ fractions ही compare करने हैं because जो आपका क्वेश्चन है जिसका आपको स्क्वायर निकालना है वो ऑलरेडी एक फ्रैक्शन है, तो आपको मतलब फ्रैक्शंस को ही कंपेयर करना है. तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और 3 है उसमें नॉर्मल नंबर्स है, दैट मीन्स यू कैन कंपेयर देम इजीली. बट इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट देयर इज अ कंपैरिजन ऑफ द fraction, so it will be difficult for you. So I am solving the question number 1 for you. Okay. Now how to solve it? First find out the value of each of them, that is minus 2 upon 3 square. Here minus 2 upon 3 square is equal to beta हुआ minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 and 3 into 3 is 9 and second one is क्या दिया हुआ है आपको? What is minus 3 upon 2 square? Minus 3 upon 2 square. It is 9 minus 3 into minus 3 is 9 and 2 into 2 is, sorry, it is cube ना? Okay. So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 it is 27 and 1 to there are 3 you have to compare here. Okay, now you have to compare here. So we have to compare which two, हम इनके आंसर्स को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. So 4/9 and here -27/8. Okay, तो क्या करेंगे हम, इनको कंपेयर करना है. We don't know which symbol we have to give here. So multiply this denominator with the opposite numerator. दोनों भी डिनोमिनेटर को अपोजिट वाले न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करो. ओके, बट यू हैव टू राइट द न्यूमरेटर फर्स्ट. न्यूमरेटर को फर्स्ट में लिखेंगे, दैट इज 4 into 8 and here -27 into 9. देखो क्या मैंने न्यूमरेटर पहले लिखा है या 4 पहले लिखा है, -27 पहले. 8 4s are 32. Okay, 9 6 are and 7 are 63. Carry 6. 9 2s are 18 and 6 it is 24. So -243. Okay, and the symbol is minus. Now -243 बड़ा होता है कि 32 बड़ा होता है? 32 बड़ा होता है. ऑफ कोर्स 32 बड़ा होता है. ठीक है, तो अगर 32 बड़ा है तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर आपने लिखा है वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होगा. तो 4/9 और -27/8 में यहाँ किसका न्यूमरेटर लिखा हुआ है? 4 का है ना. जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन बड़ा आया है उसमें किसका न्यूमरेटर लिखा है? 4 का, और सॉरी 4/9 का. तो ये इसमें 4/9 जो है वो बड़ा होगा. Which one is greater? 4/9 is greater. Okay. Okay. I have one mistake here. -3/2 square is there. -3/2 square is there. Okay. यहाँ पर square दिया हुआ है तो it is 9/4 हो जाएगा. Okay. I will solve it again. So 4/9 and it is 9/4. Okay, so multiply it. Opposite numerator, there is 4 into 4 and here 9 into 9. Okay, जो इधर लिख रहे हो इस फ्रैक्शन के लिए, जो इधर लिख रहे हो इस फ्रैक्शन के लिए. ठीक है, so now 4 into 4 16 and 9 into 9 is 81. That means 81 is greater. That means the 4/9 और 9/4 में 9/4 बड़ा है. 9/4 किसका आंसर था? इसका. तो जब हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे -2/3 स्क्वायर और -3/2 का स्क्वायर, तो बड़ा कौन आएगा? -3/2 का स्क्वायर. क्योंकि जब हमने ये सॉल्यूशन निकाले इसमें 9/4 बड़ा है, जो कि इस टर्म की वैल्यू. ओके, so in this way we compare the fractions. Now question number 6. Use the laws of exponents and give your answer in the exponential form. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, laws of exponents apply करने हैं. In the first question bases are same and given the middle symbol is multiplication, so we have to write the power. तो power क्या हो जाएगा? 3 plus 7 that is equals to 10. That means -2/5 raised to the power 10. After that 3/4 का power 7 है और उसका भी power 3 है. At this time we have to multiply the powers. That means 3/4 raised to the power 7 into 3, which is equals to 3/4 raised to the power 21. Okay, in this way solve the remaining questions also. आपको सिर्फ laws of exponents apply करने हैं. Okay, now question number 7. Write exponential form for 16 into 16 into 16 into 16 taking 4 as a base. आपको बोल रहा है कि 16 into 16 into 16 को आपको as 4 बेस लिखना है. ठीक है, तो आप इसे कैसे लिखोगे? ओके, वो लिखा है 16 into 16 into 16 into 16. That means it is 16 raised to the power 4. बट आपने उसमें क्या बोला है? आपका बेस कितना चाहिए? 4. ओके, सो बट 16 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 into 4. 16 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 into 4 and it is equals to 4 raised to the power 2. That means हम 16 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 raised to the power 2. So it will become 16 की जगह लिखेंगे 4 raised to the power 2. ये 16 की जगह लिखे और ऊपर में जो पावर 4 था वो लिखेंगे. तो दोनों पावर्स का क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So it will become 4 raised to the power 2 into 4 and it will become 4 raised to the power 8. Okay, this will be your final answer. Okay, now express each of the following as a product of the prime factors only in the exponential form. For these दोनों नंबर्स का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालो और उन्हें प्राइम फैक्टर्स के फॉर्म में जब लिखोगे, जो नंबर मल्टीपल टाइम्स आएंगे, जितने टाइम्स आए उतने टाइम्स उसे लिख देना. ओके, सो with this we have completed the exercise 4B here. Okay, in the next exercise 4C. Okay, till then take care, bye.